Oh, hello and welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to solve a non-linear differential equation of this particular form. So we see that we have still a first order differential equation. So this is the first order term. Then we have a linear term because y is to the power 1 here. So this is the linear term. And this is the non-linear term because we have an expression that is of 1 over y. So this is the non-linear term. And the non-linear term is of course making trouble here. So what we are going to do is to introduce a substitution in order to linearize this function. So I suggest to do the following substitution: to introduce a new function u of x equals y to the power 2 of x. And if we take the derivative of this term, so basically we have u prime of x equals 2 times y prime. So taking this, introducing this into the differential equation will basically linearize the differential equation, which we will call 1. And before we will do that, we will actually multiply. Let's do this here. So we will multiply 1 times 2 times y. And what we will obtain is, on the left-hand side, is 2y prime equals, so 2 times y. So the factor 1/2 will disappear with this 2. So what we obtain is y to the power 2, y squared over x plus, and here actually the term 2 times y will disappear, so we will end up with a 1. So this is then the linearized differential equation. And so what we can actually do now is using our substitution here and introducing it into this expression. So we will call this here 2, and this we will actually call here 3. So what we will do is we will introduce 2 in 3, so in this equation, and what we will obtain is 2 times y prime, so this expression here, which is equal to the derivative of the function u. So we will end up with u prime of x. And then on the right-hand side, we made the substitution u equals y squared. So we will obtain u over x plus 1, because there is no y dependency in this non-homogeneous term. So we will end up with the differential equation we actually solved in the previous video. So we know the solution, and the solution, you can actually look it up in the playlist, and the solution was u of x equals some constant of integration over x plus x over 2. So this is the general solution. If we actually would include an initial value problem, we could solve for the constant c. But in this context, we will just use the general form and take it and use the substitution here, because what we are looking for is solving this differential equation, which has a y dependency. So we have to use the substitution finally. And then what we obtain is y of x, and that's actually the function we were looking for, plus minus the solution we worked out in the previous video, and taking the square root of the whole expression. So this is the general solution to this nonlinear differential equation, where we basically made the substitution here in order to linearize it first, and then we worked out the solution in the previous video. If you have additional questions or comments, please leave your question in the comment section below. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.